Alright, little dragons, this video is for you. This is going to go over the first 4 moves of your basic Form 1. So we're going to start off with your hand technique. Okay, so hand techniques, you're going to have 4 different techniques. It's going to go chamber, downward block, aim, and then you finish with a punch. So those are your 4 moves. So I'm going to demonstrate these 4. I recommend you get these down before you try to add in the stances. That way it's a lot easier. So let's take our left hand. We're gonna bring that left hand on top. We're gonna bring our right hand down. And this is gonna be our chamber position. So what I'm doing is I'm bending this hand all the way up. This hand's pointing all the way down. And I'm bringing my arms to try to touch each other, okay? From this position, the angle that this arm is facing down is the same angle that my downward block should be. So when I'm here in that chamber right here and I downward block, this hand's gonna come down and the opposite hand is gonna come up to my side. So I go chamber, downward block, just like that. One more, chamber, downward block. Now if you want to, and you get the other side, you bring that right hand on top, tuck those arms nice and tight together, and then same thing, they just switch places. Downward block, watch again, right hand is on top, downward block. After the downward block, you guys are gonna have an aim. So I have my chamber first, I have my downward block second. My aim, I'm just gonna raise that hand up, shoulder height, aiming right to the center of my chest. So from the side, it would have looked like this. Chamber, downward block, aim, and then the finish move, this is easy, it's a punch. So watch again. I go chamber, downward block, aim, punch. If I wanna do the opposite side, bring right hand on top, downward block, aim, and punch. Just like that for the hand technique. Alright, so another part of your basic Form 1 is adding in your legs. We have to do what are called front stances as we do this. So most of us already know our horse stance where feet are apart, we bend both knees. Our front stance is going to differ in just one way. Instead of having both feet side to side, I'm going to take one foot and I'm going to step it straight forward, keeping that space. And I'm gonna bend my front knee, just like that. And when you bend that, you wanna bend it enough to where you can't see those front toes when you look down. So this is my front stance going forward. I'm gonna do it sideways as well. So starting off, I'm in my horse stance just like this. I'm gonna take one foot, I'm gonna step it forward and bend that knee to where I can't see those toes. And as you can see from the side, I am keeping my back leg nice and straight for that front stance, okay? So we're gonna add in the hand techniques into that front stance now. So I'm gonna chamber my left hand. I'm gonna step my left foot, bend that left knee, downward block. I'm gonna aim with that left hand, and I'm gonna step my right foot forward and punch my right hand. So I'm gonna do it to the side now so you can also see it this way. So I'm gonna start left hand on top, step my left foot forward, bend my left knee, downward block, aim, and punch. Now, when we're doing this, you can actually practice both sides, just like we did earlier with the hand techniques. You can do left hand, and you can do right hand. And the first 4 moves of basic Form 1 are just gonna be using that left side. But if you wanna challenge yourselves and work on the opposite side, this is how the opposite side looks. Right hand comes up, I step, downward block, aim, punch. So that's my right side. And if you guys feel like this is still too easy for you, you can combine those 2 sides together. So I will take left hand on top. I'm gonna go sideways. Downward block, aim, punch, chamber, spin, downward block, aim, punch. Just like that. So that is your basic Form 1. Get to it.